Hi guys, quick tutorial here on how to use Hashcat and John the Ripper to crack a rare pass file. So let's begin. So we open the folder. In the folder we have three files: the password protected zip file, the rock.txt dictionary text file, and the hashcat command used to crack the hash file. So let's begin. So right click, open up a terminal window here. Now locate where to John. Okay, towards the end of the list we should have a snap John the Ripper 610 run rare to John. Highlight it, copy it and paste it. Now at the end we type in the name of the password protected file, which is psp7.rar to hashfile. Okay, now with nano we open up the hash file, so nano dash file. Sorry. Okay, at the start of the line delete everything up to the first $sign. Now go to the end of the line and delete everything up to the first colon. Now save the file by pressing Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl and X. Now type in hashcat hashfile rock.txt. Oops. Sorry, once more. Okay, as you can see, it's done after 5 seconds. And the password is listed here as Toshiba1. So right click, copy, double click the rar file, right click and paste, and there we have it.